Hi everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. I'm super excited because we have something brand new to open on this channel, and this is called the Mystery Gift Box. So I've heard of this box a while ago. I saw someone unboxing it and I thought it was so cool. So the Mystery Gift Box has so many different options. It's not necessarily a subscription. I think they do have subscription options. So what this is, it's like a family-owned business. It's actually based out of the UK, but they do ship worldwide, which is great. And when you go on their website, you have a whole list of things to choose from, and they're legit like mystery boxes. So you get to pick the theme of the box, but everything that comes in it will be a mystery, and they also have custom orders. And it seems like they switch up like what options they have. So I pulled up their website right now. So they contacted me, and this was kindly sent free for review, so thank you. And they asked what box I thought was like the most interesting. There's so many good options. So right now they have some like Christmas mystery box options, so these are great for gifts. Another great thing about these mystery boxes, like they're totally like, you don't know exactly what's coming in, but you get to customize it based on like what kind of box it is, and also you get to pick the value. So it ranges in price. They will make it be whatever based on your preferences. It'll have to do with like what comes inside. So there's Christmas boxes, there's a birthday mystery gift box, mystery gift box for her, for him, a pamper mystery gift box, tech and gadgets mystery gift box, Harry Potter mystery box for him, Prosecco wine and gin mystery gift box, unicorn mystery gift box. I'm just listing off some, not all of them either. The gender neutral mystery gift box, so that would be good maybe for like a white elephant or something. Mermaid gift, there's so many options. When I was looking before, there were some different ones. I don't see it right now, but I believe the one I told them was I wanted the cat and wine mystery box, so I'll have to see if that is what I received. And I was having a hard time deciding which one because they all sound so cool and unique. But then I saw cat and wine. If you don't know me, like if you guys watch my channel, you do know that cats and wine are two of my favorite things in the world. So I thought this box would be perfect. So I'm gonna list their website down below so you can check it out and see like what they have to offer. So each and every single time they send you a box, even if it's the same theme, it will be different option or different items inside the box. You also have the option to like pick gift wrapping or personalized label and stuff. So if you are sending this as a gift, that is great. Okay, so I just double checked. I probably should have done this like before filming. So they said they did send me the cat and wine mystery gift box, and this has a value of like $30 euro. Let me look and see what that is in US because I don't know. So this would be about like $33.50 for mine. And so a lot of these boxes, it says the prices range like start at $20 or 20 euros, if I'm saying that right. Sorry, I'm not very well versed in like the dollar amount outside of the US. But they said they also include gift wrapping, which you could see here. So yeah, is that enough information? Again, I'm gonna leave them down below. Check out all the options, it's so cool. This is so fun, I'm so excited to open it. Oh, I should have already mentioned, I found a code. This doesn't get me anything, this is just for you, so it's not affiliated, but you can get 10% off your first subscription box with code subscribe10. And this code is only eligible for the subscription box for her or the subscription box for him option, so I'm gonna leave that down below as well. Oh, awesome. So I just opened up the box and this is what I see. There's a note on top. It says, "We hope you love your mystery gift box. We are a family-run business who absolutely love our mystery gift boxes and every item we put inside. Our main goal is customer satisfaction, so if for any reason you need to contact us about your mystery gift box, please feel free to email us at help@themysterybox.com. Do you want to enjoy the excitement and intrigue of opening a mystery gift box on a more regular basis? If so, sign up to one of our subscription boxes." And then, it talks about the discount code here too. It says simply choose a theme, the frequency, and the value, then enter the discount, subscribe 10 for 10% off your first box. I love that you get to pick the value and the frequency too, and of course the theme. That is so cool. And it was packed by Ellie. So awesome. And then everything else, there's like some pretty swigglies. Oh, every single item is wrapped up. Here, let me get this out of the way. My cats are gonna love that, but look, every single item is wrapped up individually. This is so fun to open. Oh my god, this would make such a great gift, wouldn't it? There's so many things in here too, so let's just start with this. So they're all wrapped with this same print. It says the mystery gift box on it. I love the detail put into this. It's so sweet. This feels soft. Oh my gosh. So this is a black ginger Talana cat scarf in mint. Let's get this open. This is awesome. This is perfect. Oh my god. For us crazy cat ladies, there's cats on it. It's a beautiful like mint color. This is so fun. So this is the first item. So you could rock this fall or do it. This is great. Okay. Let's move on to the next item. It's in this big box here. Okay, I'm gonna take this off just because it legit is like 85 degrees here. This is so cute. Oh, cool. It says wine glass by Bug Art. Look at this. That looks really pretty. It says, oh, and then you can see the picture of what I got, but this packaging is so cute. It says Bug Art have been trading for over 25 years as internationally recognized publishers of quality art, greeting cards, and they're based in the UK. Let's get this open. I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is a wine glass, stem and all, and it has this beautiful cat design. It's on both sides. It's really reflective because of my ring light, but this is awesome. This is like real glass. Let's see what it says on here. So it says hand wash. Yeah, probably because it has this beautiful art decal. It's fine, hand wash anyways. So this is so cool. It says Bug Art Limited. Love it. Goes perfect with the theme, wine and cats. Oh my gosh, yes, this is so perfect for me. Can't wait to have wine later. I'm totally gonna use that. Next up. Oh my god, this is awesome. I love candles, and it looks like this is scented candles, and it's called Bottled Up, so I think it has like wine scents. In my recent Bella box, I had wine scented candles, and that sounds like weird, maybe to some, but it smells so good. Let's get this open. Yes, there's 3 candles in here. The first one is it says Bottled Up, guaranteed vintage quality, and it's in Chardonnay. It smells good. I love candles so much. Next one is Sauvignon Blanc. So far I think the Chardonnay is my favorite. And then, the last but not least, this is Pinot Grigio. So we got all like the white wine. And oh my god, I love this. This is perfect. I love candles. Who doesn't? Wow, there's still 4 more things. Oh my god, yay. This is so cute. It's like a little cat wine stopper. This is by Lisa Angel. It looks like this is so cute. Cat bottle stopper. Yeah, I'll totally get some use out of this. And it's kind of funny, this is not the first cat wine stopper I have received. I could totally use more. So now I have 2 cat wine stoppers. I love this. This is so perfect. I love how they're really like sticking to the theme like so well. Cat and wine. Aww. This is, oh my gosh, this Feline Fine lined notepad, and there's cats on it. This is so cute. This is like just a, yeah, little notebook. Feline Fine, that is adorable. And it says master plans of mouse catching and catnapping. Adorable, I love it. Oh my god, this is so cute. Let me get this out. This is like a little, it says mini hanging wine bottle sign. And it says, I drink wine because I don't like to keep things bottled up. It's so cute. And you can hang this somewhere. You can even hang this on your Christmas tree if you wanted to. Super cute. And then, the last thing in here, this is seriously so fun to open. This is a makeup bag. Oh my god, it has cats on it. Let me get it out of the bag. I love this. So this has a zipper closure, and this is the print on it. How cute. It's on both sides. You could use this like, yeah, it's perfect for makeup. It looks like, oh, they're cool. There's 2 compartments in here, it looks like. Awesome. All right, no. Never mind. There was like just the inner lining come up. So there's an inner lining in it, so that's good. Like if anything opens or something, it won't like come out. So awesome. Cool. This is by Black Ginger. How cute is this? Oh my god, I think they did a great job like keeping up with the theme. It seriously seemed like this is like made for me. So we have the cat makeup bag, the cat scarf, the wine scented candles, which I love candles so much. The little wine hanging thing that says, I drink wine because I don't like to keep things bottled up. The cat wine stopper, like seriously, how cute is that? The cat wine glass, this might be like my favorite thing, and I love it. It has both of the themes in it. And the cat notebook, which is so cute, and I love feline fine. That's funny, play on words. But yeah, that was everything. So I love this. It totally, they did a great job like making it like fit the theme, and I love everything inside of it. Like I said, it like feels like it was meant for me, and it was so fun to open up every item individually. Again, check out their website down below to find all their unique boxes. Again, they do custom orders too, and they have a subscription box option. If you want to get the subscription, definitely make sure to use that code. I'm gonna list that down below. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. This was super fun. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing it with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.